I'm going to share with you today the secret to making very soft chapatis. Click on the subscribe button and the notification bell and follow me to the kitchen. We are going to start with preparing our ingredients. Grate the carrots, grate the onions, and then chop the bell green pepper into fine, tiny pieces. Next, we are going to use warm water. I already had mine kept aside in a flask. To the warm water in a container, we are going to add salt and then some little vegetable oil. And that is what we shall be using to knead our chapati dough. Next, we are going to add all-purpose flour to our ingredients. I used Supreme. With your hands or a spoon, mix the flour with the ingredients properly. Thereafter, we can pour in the water slowly by slowly, monitoring the consistency of the dough. And in case the water seems much, we can still add in flour slowly by slowly as we continue kneading and carefully monitor the consistency of the dough. After it has been well mixed and it is less sticky, then we can add a little vegetable cooking oil to it. This helps to trap the moisture in it so that it can be very smooth and soft. Because we need our dough to stretch well for easy rolling, we are going to cover it for a moment so that it can rest and stretch easily while rolling it out into chapati. After 30 minutes of resting, we can see that our dough is stretching freely instead of just the way it was breaking earlier. Now it's time to roll our chapatis. We break a small piece from our dough. We cut it both sides, and then with a comfortable rolling pin, we roll it and start frying. For the very first chapati that we are going to fry, we are going to put very little cooking oil to the frying pan and then place our chapati there. And then on the other side that is on top, we shall also still pour some little cooking oil. The following chapatis, after the first one, we shall no longer need to add cooking oil to the frying pan first as it is already coated with cooking oil. We shall place normally our chapati on the frying pan and then pour some little oil. Cook the first part and then turn it upside down and cook the other side as well. We are through with frying our chapatis. Now it is time to make the famous roller, the Rolex. We are going to beat our eggs. Depending on the number of eggs, each egg, we put in a pinch of salt. I've beat 2 eggs and I'm going to put 2 pinches of salt. Put some little cooking oil on our frying pan and then pour the eggs on it. Let the egg cook on one side and then slowly using a knife, push it under the egg and then turn it upside down. I learned that trick from the guys who commercially cook Rolex on the roadsides. It works like magic. Your egg doesn't break. After our egg is well cooked, we are going to put a chapati on top of the side that is on top and then flip it to either a kitchen table, a plate, anything that you feel comfortable with. And then we are going to cut our tomatoes on it, those who enjoy Rolex nyanya mbisi. And we also cut our raw onions on it, sprinkle some salt, and then roll it or fold it. And there you are, the famous tasty Rolex made from the kitchen of Susan's Adventures. Subscribe, click the notification bell, and also don't be mean. Share with your friends, my dear. You will never go to any Rolex guy to buy Rolex.